Motherhood in my 40s looks different than I expected. I give myself fully to the work of each day. My days are full. But I've changed how I carry them. Over the years, there are some things I've quietly stopped doing. Not because I care less, but because I've learned what matters more. I no longer rush my mornings. I used to wake up already behind. Now I start slower and steadier. And somehow, I get more done with less stress. I no longer try to do everything at once. There will always be work waiting. So, I focus on what truly needs my hands that day. And I try to do those things well. The rest can wait. I stopped comparing myself to others. I don't look at other homes or other lives and wonder if I'm behind. Instead, I look to the Lord for direction. He knows what my family needs better than I do. That gives me peace. I try to be faithful in small, ordinary work. Cooking meals, folding laundry, caring for my child, keeping the home. Nothing special, just steady. And I've learned something else. A mother's spirit shapes the home more than she realizes. When I'm calm, the home feels calm. When I'm unsettled, everyone feels it. The Bible says, "A wise woman buildeth her house." I used to think building meant doing more. Now I think it means being steady, prayerful, and trusting the Lord. When something feels heavy, I pour out my soul before Him. And I know that He gives me strength to keep going. I haven't stopped working. I've just learned to work with peace, to be faithful with what the Lord has given me, and to trust Him with the rest. The season of motherhood may look simple, but it feels full, and I'm thankful for it. I have learned some verses by heart, which I often use as a prayer. It goes like this: Teach me thy way, O Lord. I will walk in thy truth. Unite my heart to fear thy name. I will praise thee, O Lord my God, with all of my heart, and I will glorify thy name forevermore. For great is thy mercy toward me, and thou hast delivered my soul from the lowest hell. Teach me thy way, O Lord. Well, this is all for me this week, and I thank you so much for being with me. And if you like this kind of content and you would like to subscribe, please do so. I would love to have you with us. In the meantime, may the Lord richly bless you and keep you. Bye for now.